In this question, if we look at the condition that each row as well as each column has exactly 1, 0 and sum is equal to 1, coupled with the fact that I can use only -1, 0 and 1. This means then in each row or column I can have -1, 0, 1 and 1. This is the only possible combination for each and every row or column. When I apply this here, I come to know that definitely 1 has to be here in this cell. Now, when I look at the second cell in the first row, which is this particular cell, I also see when I consider the first row that the only two numbers which can come in this particular cell are 0 or 1. Hence, the value of x plus y is simply determined. If I consider the second column now, I can see that if there is 0 in the topmost cell, then x plus y will be nothing but 1 minus 1, which is 0. But if there is 1 in the topmost cell, then x plus y will be nothing but 0 plus minus 1, which is minus 1. Hence, my value of x plus y is determined by whether I put a 0 here or I put a 1 here. Let us start by putting a 1. If I put a 1 here, definitely 0 has to be here. And if I look at the different rows, then 0 has to be here also. And definitely then y has to be 0. Similarly, when I look for -1, because there has to be a unique place for -1 in each row and column, -1 has to be here. And -1 has to be here. And definitely -1 has to be here. The rest of the places have to be filled by 1. So I see this is a perfect combination which is satisfying all the given conditions, and here I am getting x plus y equal to -1. Now let us try to see if we can fit 0. If we try to fit 0 here, definitely there will be a 1 here. Now if I try to put in zeros and ones, I can very clearly see that one of the possible combinations is going to be this is one of the possible combinations which again satisfies all the conditions, and then in this case x plus y is 0. So I can see that in this topmost cell I can have either 0 or 1, and hence the possible values of x plus y are 0 and -1. So the correct option is choice D, 0 or -1.